share my activities on Thursday. On Thursday, I wake up at 4:30 p.m. and take a shower at 4:40 a.m. After that, I perform my morning prayer for 15 a.m. at at 6:40 at 6:45 p.m. I prepare to go to campus and attend to my Al-Islam class from 7 to 8:40 a.m. After class, I return to my boarding house at 9 a.m. Once at the boarding house, I do my daily activity, cleaning my room, such eating, watching Korean drama until 1 p.m. At 1 p.m., I prepare to go back to campus and attend my English class from 1:30 to 3:40 p.m. I return to my boarding house at 4 p.m. and where I cook and have a dinner finishing at 5:30 p.m. After that, I take a shower and perform to evening prayer by 6:30 p.m. From 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m., I spend time studying, and from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m., I watch Korean drama. At 10 p.m., I stop all activity and go to sleep. So those are my activity for today. That's all. Thank you.